Yes, it's juicing time again, I'm telling you. Anyhow, it's always a pleasure having you guys here in the kitchen with me. We're doing another juice, and this time we're doing it with a collection of apples. I'm based here in Canada. I'm seeing a lot of apples all about the place there. So I'm thinking, hey, why not? But I got to touch in a little Caribbean in there. So I'm going in with a nice, juicy, ripe pineapple. If you wanted to add a piece of ginger, do your thing. But I know the people in this house are going to complain, why this thing tasting kind of funky? They understand ginger is the thing self. I may sneak a piece in though. Let me vibes it up now. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I don't want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. Yeah, I know I said pineapple and apples, but I also have some pears. I have 4 or 5, maybe 5 pears in there. And a great little tip. Most grocery stores have this little sort of reject or discounted area with fruits and vegetables, and if you're into juicing, it's a gold mine, and that's where I found most of these apples there. And that is about 10 pounds of apples, all different varieties. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different varieties of apples. The pears are the Bartlett pears, and again we have that bit of pineapple to add that little Caribbean swing to things. But about 10 pounds of apples, 4 pears, and a whole pineapple. Basically all I'm doing is chopping up the apples. I'm not even peeling, I'm not taking out the seeds, I'm not doing any of that. So just down the center and just big enough to go through the juicer. And I have the pineapple already cut up here, so I just don't want it going discolored and oxidizing while I'm doing this, right? I want it as fresh as possible. That is the sort of tip I want to leave with you. There you go, pure apple juice. I kid you not, if you've never had this before, you really want to give it a try, man. It's worth the investment in a juicer. I kid you not, because I have blended apples before in a blender, strained it, and it's just not the same. This masticating juicer here, and I ain't trying to beat them up too much because I ain't getting paid for that. But the point is, this is what 10 pounds of apples, 4 pears, and I think I ended up using half of the pineapple looks like. Chris at CaribbeanPot.com. Quick tip, if you do go to the sort of reduced vegetable and fruit area of your grocery store and there's tarnished areas in the apples, you want to cut that out. You don't want to add it to the juicer. No, it's gonna funk up the taste, man. But I do hope you guys give this one a try. It's real nice, boy.